Welcome all to Rex Oz RC YouTube reviews. We've got a quick unboxing of the KFRC Galaxy ship made by the company KF Plane. And yeah, we'll open it up and have a look and see what we think. I've already undid the tape, cut the tape, we'll pull it out. Put that there. Ooh, manual. Let's get a manual, that's good. Ship. Galaxy airship. There we go. Let's grab the screwdrivers. Another remote down here. Now this is 3-channel. As you can see, it has an elevator, which is the most important thing. Even though it's a toy, the only reason I got it is because it is a 3-channel, meaning it acts like more like a hobby grade plane. At least in the controls. So we'll put that there. And we'll have a look at this and we'll plug him in and get him going. I'm sure there'll be enough battery at least to turn it on. And I'll charge it up later and have a quick fly if I can. Prepared with AAA batteries. 3 AAAs it takes. Not included. Everything else is included though. So yeah, it's not bad value for money. Something, you know, around the $100 Australian mark. At least that's the sale price I'm going to have it at. Anyway, this is the Galaxy airship. We'll turn it on in a second. We'll just plug him in. Now, I know it's got a switch as well, so I've got that plugged in. Turn the switch on, and yeah, there's a switch here, I believe. Yep, there it goes. Now, scroll up. Roll down. There we go. Oh yeah. There, see? Differential. You got differential there. That's how it changes direction. And yeah, you do have an elevator to go up and down. So that's quite good. You can see the gyro is doing its thing. Now with the throttle going, you hear it going. So as far as I'm aware, there's no way of turning the gyro off. I'll check the instructions for that in a minute. I know one button's for the light, which it doesn't have. No, it doesn't turn that light off like I thought. And this one changes the turning radius. Yeah, you can hear it. Yeah, you can hear it how much faster it goes when it... So, I'm going to try and quickly charge that and get it going. And I will be setting it up on my my Hello Radio V16 Pro. Same as the TX16S pretty much. Got a couple of extra features on it, but yeah, I will be setting it up on there, and I'll tell you what protocol it is when I do set it up, and that's when I do the flight, which will be pretty soon. Rex Oz RC reviews hobbies.